guys, and welcome back to Market Marauders. We're beating the market one trade at a time. For new to Market Marauders investment channel, helps you to find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, like, comment, and share. Now I'm coming to you on a Friday morning before market. I'll probably be here until lunch. So today we're going to jump into some plays, see how everything's going. I hope everybody has had a good week. Hope everybody was able to lock in those profits. A lot of moves being made in the market. They had the 5-to-1 split that was announced this week from Tesla, so that was a pretty big move. Also, the Apple split that was announced, I think, in the previous week. So definitely going to have those highlighted as two stocks to look at. Some other moves going on. Nikola went up pretty crazy yesterday, and so we're going to be looking at Nikola. Going to be looking at how they perform today. For earnings, we had DraftKings has their earnings today, so we keep an eye on that. If there are any other stocks you want me to look at, make sure you drop it in the comment section or in the chat section, and I'll try to look at them, and we can discuss what's going on. So, a lot of things going on with politics, a lot of things going on with market moves. So let's look at SPY as the day begins. We got SPY at the moving average 10 of 337.38, moving average 50 of 336.58, moving average 100 of 334.41, and it ended yesterday at 336.83. Went down just a little bit, 50 cents towards the end of the day after hours. Pre-market looks like it went down as well, so gotta look to see how SPY performs, especially with all the updates and stuff going on. With the political race heating up, expect to see that fluctuate quite a bit. So, other things going on, we got UUP, which I always have my eyes on. It has been going sideways lately. Let's zoom in on that. It's been going sideways lately, so if we look on here, it's kind of been in between the moving average 50 and moving average 100. It's just been bouncing around. It was bullish a couple days ago, but I'd say it's bearish now. So stay posted on that. Going into GLD, GLD had a huge sell-off recently where it just plummeted. It was at 194.45 and went all the way down to 180, and then it tried to rally up a little bit yesterday, where it went up to 183.33, but now it's back at 183.05. So definitely seeing that move. Tesla, definitely one having my eyes on. If we can see today, they're going up tremendously. So if we could see a bunch of orders coming in for them, they're going pre-market. It's 1,661. So it seems like they're going up. Seems like they're doing some early movement. Let me go to my 5-minute, 1-minute chart. Let me go to the 5-minute chart. So yeah, Tesla early movement this morning. Seems to be moving pretty well, especially considering yesterday. It was kind of expected that they would continue to move up, but they kind of moved up yesterday and then had a sideways run. So a little bit of both. Shot up early in the morning and then went sideways the rest of the day. So that's denoted by this. They shot up, went up, and then stayed around the 1630 range, 1620 to 1630 range. Back and forth for most of that day. So they're going up now today to the 160 range. I wonder if they'll go and continue to trade sideways or continue to go up. Looks like on the left hand side there are a bunch of orders coming in for them. So maybe they'll shoot up again today. Going into Nikola though, go their 5 minute chart. Nikola has been, making some crazy moves lately, especially yesterday. They shot up, quite a bit beginning of the day. I suspect they're going to shoot up again today. I recently saw the news they shot up on yesterday was that Hyundai, they Trevor Milton, the former CEO, was talking to Hyundai about, potentially working with them. So that rumor kind of made the stock shoot up. But today or yesterday, I guess last night, there was a video of the Badger that came out. So a lot of people are saying the original pictures of the Badger were just a render, but the video that I saw on Twitter seemed to be pretty legit, like it was the real thing. So you know maybe that will solidify people's um, I don't know, I guess inkling to want to go and buy more Nikola now that they actually see a physical truck. But you know, still interesting moves regarding that one. And I'm interested to see how it performs in the future. I definitely think that it will rally up, getting closer to batter. I mean not batter, getting closer to Nikola World. Just like Tesla, I think Tesla's going to continue to rally, getting closer to Battery Day, because they're pretty big events for both of the companies. So yeah, Tesla is still going up. It's at 1663 pre market, and Nikola is still going up. So yeah, a lot of movement on both of those. Other ones that we're looking at for today, we got Apple. Apple's kind of been going sideways and falling off a little bit. So be interesting to see how that one performs today. Moderna, that one has just been going down. So looking to see that one reverse. INO's been going sideways. Neo has been going sideways after their earnings. IZEA seems to be going down after their earnings, even though they were up a bit yesterday. Purple, who had their earnings yesterday, seemed to be going down quite a bit. I'm going to take Purple off of the watch list. Rocket seems to be going up today. So if you look at the chart, we can see that they're starting to become bullish again. So from 1874, where it ended yesterday, it's going up $20 to $20.41. So interested to see where that ends up. They just recently IPO'd, so interested to see how that performs today. DraftKings, which has their earnings today, seems to be going down. If we look at another one, we can see. Let's jump into the bottom of the list. We got TFP, seems to be bullish on a beginning of a breakout. In my personal opinion, the moving average 10 line has definitely crossed the moving average 50 and the moving average 100. So I would say, TFP is bullish. And it seems like, they had a lot of pre-market orders come in, and they're gone up $2.46 since then. So interested to see how that performs once the market opens. Going into AMAT, we got that they went up after hours, and pre-market is up to 67.32. So interested to see how that performs when that goes on. And then those are all on the watch list. Forgot to go over Uber. Uber, interested to see this one perform as well, especially with all the court litigation stuff going on. And Lyft, also have my eye on as well, to see how this performs after their court decision, saying that they had to give their workers, health care and all that other stuff. So, interesting moves being made. Definitely going to see how these perform. Market's about to open. We got about 15 minutes left. So I'm going to leave it on SPY so we can watch SPY and see how SPY is performing. Well, I'll leave it on Tesla and see how Tesla's performing. If you look at the bottom, it seems to be selling off a little bit. It went up to it's going between this 1659 and 1660 range. So, interesting to see that. And we'll see what levels they get at once they open. But, going up a little bit from there. Says they went up $38 after hours or pre-market. So, really interested to see how high this goes throughout the day. Wonder will it get to the $1,700 range? I don't know, but I do know yesterday it went up and then it went sideways. So interested to see on that one. Drop a comment down below. Tell me which ones you are looking at. And then also make sure you go to the website, to the merch website, and cop your merch. Got the day trade flag right here. This is what I'm calling the day traders flag. So, the day traders flag, you got the green and red candle patterns. You got the money sign. So make sure you cop that gear. Get you some swag on the page in the community tab. And also in the link down below, I have the merch page as well. So make sure you go and check that out. Get you a hoodie or t-shirt. I'll definitely be getting one. So I'm just going to leave it on here on Tesla. And I'll be right back. It's like Tesla is climbing at 1662. That's pretty good. Climbing quite a bit. So we still got some time here. Let's look at Nikola. Let's see how they're performing. Nikola doesn't seem to be climbing too much. Went up 63 cents pre-market, so it's pretty good on that. Right, 1661, 1666 now. Climbing pretty fast. Still a bunch of orders coming in for them. Looks to be they may be losing a little bit of steam though. Maybe 1666 is a resistance for them because they went up to that price and haven't touched it since. So that may be a resistance for them, 1666. But we'll see when the market opens if it tests that 1666 number again, or if it just continues to go up. We got Uber. Uber's pretty much dead this morning. Lyft pretty much dead this morning. Apple went down a little bit, but I don't know. We may be able to pull off some green this morning. Very interesting stuff going on with both of these, or all three of these. Yeah, we got about 8 more minutes till the market opens. So we'll see how they perform. Once that happens, going to FFP. Looks to still be rallying. Which is a good thing. Going down some more. Look at AMAT. Seems to have gone up, but not really seeing any more movement. Volume seems to be kind of low on this one this morning. Going into INO. INO seems to have some life. 26 cents pre-market. Moderna looks to be up a little bit pre-market. Definitely keeping eyes on Tesla, seeing how they perform, seeing how that's going. So that's 7 minutes. 7 minutes until market opens. Yeah, it was very interesting to see this hit that 1666 line and then just stop. Um, I'll definitely look at that as a resistance. So it was just odd. Because definitely, way above where this chart is currently at. This is reflecting yesterday's volume. So it's way above this. But wonder why that 1666 line was the resistance. Because if we look, it's already fallen back down now to 1661. So, you know, just behaving very strangely. Now, Nikola, on the other hand, will it be a repeat offender? Yesterday, shot up like crazy on just the Hyundai news, but will it shoot up today off of the news of the rendering, or I guess non-rendering, actual vehicle? So interesting to see that one perform. Definitely looking forward to that one. Early morning moves being made. Yeah, I think Nikola definitely has potential to spike up. Um, Definitely keep my eyes out on this one. Um, you know, let's see. Went up from 42 to 47. So $5 in one day on just the Hyundai news and the garbage truck news. Um, it looks like it's trying to break out today. We will see in 3 minutes. 3 minutes until the market opens. Keeping my eyes out on that one. Keep my eyes out on Tesla. They hit that 1666 line and have not been back since. Tested it, but have not been back since. So we'll see 2 minutes when they open how that performs and what goes on with that. Apple pre-market down. INO pre-market up 24 cents. So got some movers. TFFP up $2.14. So we got some movers. Got some morning movers. Yeah, they still have not gone back to that level. Strange. You're getting close. 1665.50, I think, is the closest I've seen it get back to that sort of level. So, very interesting for that. But why it won't go back to the other level, I don't know. Definitely looking forward to this one. Crazy rally yesterday. Looking for more action today. Action packed. Alright, got 1 minute. 1 minute till market open. So get ready. Remember to go copy your day trading flags, stickers, t-shirts, hoodies, and profits we trust. Make sure to go cop that in the community tab on the page. Welcome, Market Marauders. Alright, market up, market open. Market open, market open. Alright, so let's look at Tesla. Let's see how Tesla's gonna perform. Open at 1664, pretty good level. 1652. Ooh, seems to be falling off. 1652. 1651. Ooh, it's going down from here. Let's look at Nikola. Nikola seems to be climbing like crazy, which I thought it would. Like absolute crazy. It's a madman. It's a madman. Yeah, that Badger update. Badger update did it. I think. Let's go. Let's go. Climbing, climbing, climbing. So let's see what else is going on. What else is moving? INO still moving. Yep, INO seems to be going up today. So that's good. Let's see what's happening with Lyft and what's happening with Uber. So like Uber starting to go down. Lyft is starting to have a little bit of recovery. Let's go into Rocket. Rocket starting to go back up. So keep your eyes out on Rocket if you're watching that. They're starting to have another breakout, going back to levels that their IPO was at. So definitely keep your eyes out on Rocket. Check us out on RKT. We got Novavax is going up today as well. So keep your eyes out on that one. So moves being made. Moves being made today. Just check those out. Moves being made. So go look at TFFP. Moves being made with that one as well. They're starting to break out. Very bullish. They're going up quite a bit. AMAT going up as well. Another one I need to look at is AMC. So let's see how AMC is performing. They are going up as well. Wow. So a lot of green going on. Let's check SPY. See what SPY is doing. SPY seems to be going down. Tesla still has not gotten back to that 1666 level where it was at this morning. So that seems to be the resistance level. And we'll see if it gets back to that. But That's the highest that I saw it get to this morning was 1666 in pre-market, but it has seemed to hit that resistance and not go any further. Going to Nikola. Nikola seems to be going up. Well, it seems to be going down a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, it seems to be going down a little bit from where it was at. Go to Apple. Apple has fallen off quite a bit. They are down today. A lot of red coming in. Wonder how far that will go down. Going to Moderna. Moderna seems to be going up at the current moment. So yeah, Moderna's going up. Their volume is going up. Price is going up. So VWAP14 tracks the volume. So it looks like the volume is going up. Going into back to Tesla, struggling today seems to be that 1666 line that it hit this morning. Pre-market, it's just pushed it way back down. Looks to be a lot of people selling off this morning. And Isaiah seems to be going down as well, going down pretty large amount. Neo seems to be going down as well. What else? What else we have on here? Novavax still green. TFFP still green. Still going up. Seems to have ran out of steam. Rocket though. Rocket is still seems to be going up. Look forward to that. Rocket going up. Seems to be running out of steam as well after it shot up. But then Tesla is still the main one we're looking at. 1658. 1666 is where it hit the highest, but it's not been back since. Nikola is going red, so they're falling off this morning. So they've fallen off quite a bit from where they were at yesterday. Seem to be, going down. Going into Apple. Apple seems to be going down as well. Tesla was going up and it starts to go down. Moderna seems to be going up still at a steady pace. INO seems to still be going up at a steady pace. Wouldn't call it a breakout, but still, they're right. Their moving average 10 line is right, barely above their moving average 50 line. So still looking at that, waiting to see how that performs. Neo just has had an amazing sell-off. Seems to be going to AMC. AMC seems to be going up just a little bit, but not that much. Seems to be coming back down. So yeah, Nikola red today. Wonder if that'll turn around. Going to Tesla. Looking at Tesla, see how that performs. Still does not hit that 1666 line. It's amazing to see that. INO still going up. Let's look at SPY. SPY still going down. UUP still going sideways. GLD going back down again today. It was trying to recover, but it's going back down. Cisco still in the red today after their fall off. Seems to still be going down quite a bit. Uber, if you look inside, looks like they're having a sell-off, so they're going down quite a bit. Uber still in the red. That whole litigation thing, Uber and Lyft. Lyft's going back down as well. Continuing to go down. Looks like to be a pretty big sell-off. But on here, it looks like there are mixed feelings about the two. Some people may be saying, it's cheap, buy it. Some people may be saying it's, it's still going to go down. But on Uber, it looks like it's just going down. Tesla is going back up. Still hasn't tested that 1666 line. 1661 seems to be the highest. But to me, once it hits that 1666 line and goes above it, then I would say it's going to break out. It's getting really close to it. Let's look at this. Getting very close to that 1666 line. Yeah, once it passes that 1666 line, in my opinion, it'll begin to break out. But just testing that, to see how that performs in the long run. Well, thank you all for joining me this morning. I'm going to log off. If you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure you check out the merch. And good luck to you all trading. I'm going to sign off for this morning, look at some more of these charts. I'll see you guys